Hello, how are you today? Car World Today, I present to you, viewers, 7 SUVs that you should never buy. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Chevrolet Equinox, 2010 to 2013. The Chevrolet Equinox from the 2010 to 2013 model years has been plagued with significant issues that make it a risky purchase on the used market. This model is notorious for excessive oil consumption, leading to severe engine damage if not monitored and addressed regularly. Owners often need to top off the oil frequently, which can become a cumbersome and costly routine. Excessive oil consumption. Engines burn oil at an alarming rate, requiring frequent top-offs. Timing chain problems. Premature wear and failure can lead to severe engine damage. Costly engine repairs. Ongoing issues necessitate expensive fixes. Common complaints: engine stalling, poor fuel economy, and rough idling. Timing chain problems are another significant concern. Premature timing chain failure can force the engine to perform poorly or fail, resulting in expensive repairs or replacements. These issues combined make the Chevrolet Equinox a model to avoid when shopping for a used SUV. Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2011 to 2014. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is an attractive SUV known for its off-road strengths and luxurious features. However, several reliability issues have marred the 2011 to 2014 models. Transmission problems are a frequent complaint, with owners experiencing rough shifting, sudden transmission failures, and the need for complete replacements. These issues affect the driving experience and come with hefty repair bills. Transmission failures, rough shifting and sudden failures, often requiring replacements. Electrical problems, issues with infotainment systems, sensors, and intermittent power failures. High repair costs, frequent and expensive electrical and transmission repairs. Other concerns: poor build quality and inconsistent performance. Electrical problems are another common issue with these Grand Cherokee models. Owners have reported problems with the vehicle's electrical system, leading to various issues, from malfunctioning infotainment systems to faulty sensors and intermittent power failures. These electrical gremlins can be challenging to diagnose and repair, making the Grand Cherokee from these years a less reliable option for used SUV buyers. Ford Explorer, 2011 to 2015. The Ford Explorer is a well-loved SUV that offers ample space and a comfortable ride. However, the 2011 to 2015 models have been associated with a range of reliability concerns. One of the most severe issues with these Explorers is related to the Power Transfer Unit, PTU. Failures of the PTU can lead to drivetrain malfunctions, including the loss of all-wheel drive capabilities, which is a critical feature for many SUV owners. Repairing or replacing the PTU can be a costly endeavor. Failures leading to drivetrain malfunctions and loss of all-wheel drive capabilities. Transmission problems, rough shifting, slipping, and complete transmission failure. My Ford Touch system flaws, frequent system crashes, and unresponsive touchscreens. Owner complaints, poor reliability, high repair costs, and disappointing performance. Transmission problems also plague these Explorer models. Owners have reported rough shifting, transmission slipping, and even complete transmission failure. These problems can severely impact the vehicle's performance and longevity, leading to significant repair costs. In addition, the My Ford Touch infotainment system has been frustrating for many owners, with frequent system crashes, unresponsive touchscreens, and software glitches that detract from the overall driving experience. Nissan Pathfinder, 2005 to 2010. The Nissan Pathfinder from 2005 to 2010 is known for severe transmission problems. These problems are often linked to a design flaw where coolant leaks into the transmission, causing it to fail prematurely. This issue is widespread and extremely costly to repair, making the Pathfinder a model to avoid. Transmission failures, coolant leaks causing premature transmission failure. Radiator defects, design flaws leading to frequent and expensive repairs. Overall reliability, known for high maintenance costs and frequent breakdowns. In addition to transmission problems, these Pathfinders often suffer from radiator defects, further compounding reliability issues. Owners frequently report high maintenance costs and recurring breakdowns, making this model risky for used SUV buyers. GMC Acadia, 2007 to 2013. The GMC Acadia from 2007 to 2013 is another model with a host of reliability problems. One of the main concerns is its transmission, which is prone to failure and often needs replacement. Timing chain issues are common, leading to engine performance problems and costly repairs. Transmission issues, prone to failure, often needing replacement. Timing chain problems, frequent issues affecting engine performance. Repair costs, known for high maintenance expenses and frequent repairs. The transmission and timing chain problems in the GMC Acadia result in significant repair costs and frequent visits to the mechanic. Potential buyers should be wary of these issues and consider alternative models to avoid unexpected expenses and reliability woes. BMW X5, 2011 to 2013. The BMW X5 from 2011 to 2013 is known for its impressive driving dynamics and luxurious interior. However, these models are notorious for their high maintenance costs and frequent problems. Owners often find themselves dealing with a variety of issues that detract from the overall ownership experience. High maintenance costs. Regular repairs and part replacements are expensive. Electrical problems. Issues with the vehicle's complex electrical systems. Engine reliability. Problems with the engine can lead to costly repairs. Beyond the routine high costs, the X5 is particularly prone to electrical malfunctions. These problems can range from insignificant annoyances to major system failures, all contributing to the vehicle's reputation for being costly to maintain and repair. Land Rover Range Rover, 2012 to 2014. The Land Rover Range Rover is synonymous for luxury and off-road capability, but the 2012 to 2014 models have a reputation for being unreliable. These vehicles are often problematic in various areas, resulting in a frustrating ownership experience. Air suspension issues, frequent problems with the air suspension system, engine reliability, common issues with engine performance and reliability, high repair costs, expensive parts and labor for repairs. The air suspension system, a hallmark of the Range Rover's comfort and off-road capability, is particularly prone to failure. Repairing this system is often costly, and combined with engine issues, these models are less appealing for those looking for a dependable, used luxury.